8,690 kilometers per hour. That's the speed of a school bus-sized chunk of metal that just slammed into the moon. No warning system caught it in the act. No astronaut saw it happen. The only proof? A flash of light captured by a telescope in the middle of the Chilean desert, and a cloud of glowing gas that shouldn't have been there. This is not science fiction. This happened, and it's only the beginning of a much bigger problem hanging over our heads. Literally. A SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket lifted off from Earth January of last year, carrying a lunar lander built by a company called Firefly Aerospace. Its job? Deliver that lander safely toward the moon. Mission accomplished. The lander made it. But rockets don't just have one part. After the payload separates, the second stage, the massive metal cylinder that did the heavy lifting, usually falls back to Earth and burns up, or drops harmlessly into the ocean. This time was different. Because the mission needed more thrust than a typical satellite launch, that leftover stage didn't fall home. It kept going. Out of fuel, out of control, drifting. For months, that rocket body wasn't a headline. It was just one more piece of debris floating among thousands of others that satellites have to dodge every single day. Nobody was steering it. Nobody could. It was simply being pushed and pulled by the quiet tug-of-war of solar activity and gravity, invisible forces slowly bending its path. And that path was bending toward one destination, the moon. Slowly, silently, inevitably, a piece of human engineering was being pulled onto a collision course nobody had planned. The rocket stage, weighing roughly 4,000 kilograms, strikes the moon at nearly 8,700 kilometers an hour, close to a massive crater on the lunar far side, one so wide it swallows the exact impact point without a trace.